Good afternoon, YouTube. Oh, so I'm gonna do a little follow-up video from our last video of our dirt job because I didn't really explain what happened. The 790 blew a hydraulic line on the loader, and I know this one's missing because I had it for making some new ones, but this line was the one that busted, and you can kind of see where my finger is, and it's just degraded and stuff like that. This one actually just broke before that, and replaced it, and should have thought about it and just replaced them all, but you know, it is what it is. So I had 3 new ones to make, and so I'm going to have new hydraulic lines on. So this video is basically just replacing the lines, and got Ethan with me. He's going to kind of help. I'm showing him a few things, but yeah, anyway, all right, so got some new lines. We're going to put them on, and going to show Ethan how to do it, just to kind of teach him some stuff. Ethan's somewhere hiding. Come here, Ethan. Say hi to YouTube. Ethan got stuck on the mower today. How many times?
Twice.
It's okay though. He learned how to fix his mistakes. It happens. Anyway, so let me put you right here so you can see. Can you see there, YouTube? So we're putting the little fitting on here. This is the quick connect. These little fittings, they got a little O-ring on them, and that helps seal it off. Pressure wrenches.
It's not even looking at you.
Yeah, well, no, it's looking down at the thing. You can see me.
Okay. No, it was looking right here.
Oh. Sorry, YouTube. Our cameraman's kind of being terrible today. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna get you to climb up here. Get on my side. All right, this end is gonna go into the quick connect here, okay? And there's 4 of them. The other end, take this end, okay, screw in, and just screw it in right here, okay? And just kind of get it started. Make sure we don't cross thread it. It doesn't have a swivel on it, so you kind of have to turn the hose around. I'll kind of hold it until it kind of feeds itself in there. It should go in there. Keep turning, keep turning. Oh, almost had it. Hold on. Keep turning. There it goes. It's going in there. Okay, got it kind of snug. Now take it and wrap it and kind of feed it through here. No, down through that. See this little loop? This right here where my finger is. The other way. Go from the top down. And then you'll come in, and it should connect just like a washer, pressure washer. You gotta pull this coupling back. Okay. It didn't quite snap on there. So when that collar goes all the way forward, you know. So you gotta tighten these up. Let me grab that camera. We're just putting a little snug on it. So you can, so what this is, okay? I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna put it right here so you can kind of see. So there's 4 lines, okay? And it's running, it basically is running the joystick of lever. So each function is doing the lift, drop, and the curl of the bucket. You can take all these lines off, but if you do that and don't know exactly where they go, when you put them back on, you may have your controls backwards, okay? I did that when I replaced the ones up in the front because all these are brand new. But I never did replace these. Okay, so if you do it one at a time, kind of like a, you know, doing like your wires on your truck, you know, so you know exactly which one goes where. It just makes it easier in the long run instead of just pulling them all out and then just putting them in there. So next one. So these 2 top have been replaced. We got these bottom ones. Okay. So we can replace this bottom one first. So go in here, grab that, and pop it out. Okay, now feed it through the little holder there. Figure out which one it is. Okay, so we know it's going to be this one. So take your wrenches. Okay, and then bigger wrench will go on this one, the little wrench will go on here. And it's gonna go like this when you turn, okay? So give yourself enough slack. And if I'm in your way, you can get in a spot where it's comfortable. All right, so we got all the new hoses on, and I'm gonna have to get them all secured and bundled so they don't catch on anything. So our next step, Ethan, let's go check the hydraulic fluid. Okay, where's the hydraulic fluid on this one? Show me. It's gonna be somewhere. Where do you think it's at?
I do not know.
You don't know. Okay.
I don't remember.
Yeah. Hydraulic fluid is going to be that yellow dipstick. Okay. So you need to pull it out. We leaked a lot, so it's probably going to be like super low. So you've been reading on it? Okay, so what we gotta do now, you can stick that back in there. Let's stick this. Stick that here. I like this little magnet thing.
It's a pretty strong magnet.
Hey there, YouTube. Okay. So what I'm doing, YouTube, is I'm cycling out all the hydraulic lines, you know, through the joystick of the loader. Uh-oh, your water bottle dropped. Anyway, so once we get the hydraulic fluid kind of cycling through the system, get some of the air bubbles out, we'll come back and we're going to double check. Before we put something in there, we're going to double check the fluid level again. So we're going to try to figure out where we're at and how much we need to add. So we are still super low. So we lost a lot of hydraulic fluid on that leak. You see how much of a delay when I pulled back the lever, because it just didn't have the fluid. It's right here. You got it. Do right now. It was barely getting on the dipstick, so we got a lot more put in. Sorry.
It's very warm.
It kind of feels like when you pee on yourself, doesn't it?
A little bit.
I can't remember the specs, but I think it's like 2.7 quarts, maybe. I gotta look back and see. This thing's kind of bugging. It's gotta go under just right. Try it one last time. Let's like it. You can do the control on if you want to. Go ahead, drop down. Keep spinning around. Right. And hopefully, we're on mark. Perfect. We're like literally right there in the middle of it. See? Okay. There you go, YouTube. Boom. Right in the middle. So, we're good on that. We'll take some brake cleaner. Fill that up. We'll have a fire hazard. Yeah, so
Look at this old rickety seat.
I know, I gotta replace it just like everything else. So I want to show you something there, YouTube. This is a 2006 tractor, okay? and it is sitting at 444 hours on it. It's got a lot of life in it. It's a good little tractor, especially for the stuff we do. Ethan's been running on it a little bit. He's starting to learn it, and starting to play on the 3038 a little bit. But it's a good little tractor. But I just want to show you this video of changing out the hydraulic lines. It's for somebody that's, you know, trying to figure it out. It's not hard. Like I said, I got to get all these secured. It had a sheath on it, and I had to cut it off. So
There's some zip ties in your truck, like that.
I'll get it later. We'll zip tie them up, get them secured. But anyway, just wanted to show you that. Clean the camera up. Anyway, just want to show you that, and yeah, we'll see you on the next job. And hope you like it. Subscribe to it, give it a comment, and anything, got anything to say?
Peace.
He says peace. See ya.